Namaste everyone. Today we will learn how to do headstand in 3 different ways. So first way, apart your leg 3.5 feet, and then from here drop your both elbows on your mat like this, and then interlock your fingers. From here, upper hip place on the ground like this, and palm touch behind your head like this, and then lift the heel up. Here, see, lift the both heel up, leg maximum forward first, and then push your hip up and try to shift your body weight on your both hands, and then slowly try to lift your leg up. Here, if you cannot, you just stay in half, and if you can, then slowly come up and stay here. Try to make a balance. Don't put pressure on your head, put the pressure on your both hand. If you can balance, then slowly try to join your both feet together here, and try to your whole body in one line, and stay here as long you can, and then slowly come back as you going up. That's how you will come back. Now from here I will show you the second way. So for that, you drop your both knees, and then from here to outside drop your both elbows, interlock your fingers. Once again, same as before, your upper head will be again on the ground and palm behind your head like this, and then from here lift your knee up, and then slowly bring your both to maximum forward as much you can. Don't arch your back, spine must be straight, and then bend your one leg, thigh on the chest, don't put up, thigh connect on the chest, and then shift your body weight on your hand, and then slowly up and up like this. Stay here. If you can balance and confident here, then slowly try to lift your both legs up. So first one leg up, slowly try to straighten it. Try to make a balance first here, and then if you are in confident, then slowly try to straighten your other leg and feet together. That's how. This is the second process of the headstand, and slowly one by one come up. Now from here, stay a while in child pose, because this is a counter pose for regular blood circulation on your body. So now from here I will teach you the third way. So for third, same as before, interlock your fingers and upper head on the ground. This is the advanced one. So again, take a same posture, toe maximum forward. Use your core strength to lift the both leg up, slowly up here. You need your core power to lift the leg up and stay here. Try to leg in one line, and then again same as before, come up, drop your knee and come to the center. I will show you the another way from the front side so you can see more clearly. Here, leg up, more up, and stay there. Breathe, continue, don't hold the breath. Breathing must be normal. If you have high blood pressure, then don't do that posture. So drop your knee. You must be staying child pose after doing headstand, because when you do headstand, your blood circulation is going on your head, and child pose will give you regular circulation. Namaste. Thank you. See you in next.